Award,
Me and Dolores.
Peacekeeper Award,
We're here at Villa Magrosa Activity Center.
Award, Kinder Leather Award,
It's
and
graduation
Great
day
Leader
for all the
Award.
children. They're very excited to move on to the next grade.
Thunder Shikita A. Kinder Gorgeous Award,
Surrounded
Happy Helper Award,
by
Batang
excited
Kasgasig
parents
Award,
and children.
Budding Scientist Award.
Adeline, thank you.
Psalmist Corinne, and she will also receive an award as Star Reader, Coaches, Eager Beaver, and Little Teacher Award. Congratulations to Prime Psalmist Corinne. Abin. He will also receive an award as Neat Kid, Eager Beaver, Coaches Kid, and Star Reader. Congratulations to
With high honors goes to Limark Gataselo. Limark will also receive the following awards: Determined Award, Happy Helper Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Cub Scout Award, and Eager Beaver Award. Congratulations!